Instant Courier Rates, your trusted partner for urgent delivery solutions tailored to the senior care industry. Today, we're talking about something critical: how to spot hidden medication logistics problems before they put your residents and your facility at risk. Sign 1. Frequent medication delivery delays. If meds aren't arriving on time, your residents suffer, and your staff scrambles. Delays during peak hours or weekends often mean your logistics partner isn't optimized for the urgency your facility demands. Our SaaS platform uses real-time routing, traffic, and weather APIs to ensure every delivery is predictable and efficient, even during high-stress windows. Sign 2. Lack of real-time tracking. Do you know exactly where your deliveries are right now? If not, you're leaving too much to chance. Our dashboard offers real-time tracking, alerts, and delivery confirmation, accessible on both web and mobile, so you're always in the loop. Sign 3. Inconsistent documentation. Missing logs, incomplete chains of custody, or lost invoices? That's a compliance nightmare waiting to happen, especially with HIPAA and CLIA. We digitize your delivery records, keep audit trails secure, and automate compliance-ready documentation, reducing the risk of penalties and legal exposure. Sign 4. Delivery miscommunications. Did a medication arrive without notice? Or a staff member miss a handoff? These missteps reduce trust and raise safety risks. We provide proactive communication between couriers, care teams, and pharmacies, with built-in alerts to minimize missed connections. Sign 5. No centralized oversight. If you're juggling spreadsheets, emails, and manual logs to manage deliveries, you're not just inefficient, you're vulnerable. Our platform centralizes all deliveries, invoices, analytics, and performance metrics in one seamless, cloud-based dashboard, making management easy and measurable. If even one of these signs felt familiar, it's time to reevaluate your logistics strategy. Instant Courier Rates is built specifically for the urgency, sensitivity, and compliance demands of senior care. Let's help you protect your residents and your reputation. Ready to simplify compliance and protect your deliveries? Visit instantcourierrates.com or contact us for a quick demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your network. Until next time, keep your care timely, safe, and compliant.